He was just seconds away from death and Ronnie did not even know about it. So here's what happened. Ronnie flew to Wisconsin with his daughter for a seminar. The night before he felt fine, but on the day of the event, something felt off. He remembers stepping on stage, but everything after that is a blur. He has no memory of the seminar or interacting with fans. Afterward, he went outside in his wheelchair and fell. Paramedics checked on him, but he insisted he was fine. Back at the hotel, he passed out immediately. He woke up multiple times during the night, feeling worse each time, but assumed it was just exhaustion. Then around 5 or 6 a.m., he was hit with unbearable full body pain. He screamed for his daughter, who called 911. At the local hospital, doctors suspected a heart issue, but quickly airlifted him to a cardiac center. There he was diagnosed with septic shock, a life-threatening reaction to infection that causes organ failure and dangerously low blood pressure. He was placed in a light coma and intubated. Doctors found his left ankle and leg were swollen to nearly twice the size of the other. To relieve the pressure, surgeons made a 2-inch incision to drain the fluid. The procedure left him with a sharp pain when standing, pain that eases after 5 to 10 minutes. Even more alarming, tests showed his heart had been functioning at just 20% capacity for last 2 years. Doctors replaced his blocked left ventricular artery through his hip with a surgeon on standby in case open heart surgery became necessary. Miraculously, the procedure worked. Despite exhaustive testing, doctors never identified the infection source. It could have come from the hotel, backstage, or even old surgical hardware in his body. Ronnie had not had a heart checkup in last 2 years, assuming he was fine because he trained hard and felt strong. But doctors confirmed if he had not called 911 that morning, he would have died. Now Ronnie is back in therapy to walk again, lifting weights and living with the same intensity that made him an 8-time Mr. Olympia. He's also launched the Ronnie Strong Foundation to raise awareness about sepsis, a silent killer that nearly took his life. Don't forget to like, share with your friends and follow for more such bodybuilding updates.